Want to know how to use var instead of data types in Java? So if you're tired of writing full data types every time, like integer, string, and much more, from Java 10 you can use var. If you didn't know, from Java 10 you can just simply use var and then write any data types that you want. You need to just write a var before naming the data type. So before we could write something like this. So instead of var, we used to write int age equals to 25, just like this, right? But now since Java 10, we can just simply remove int and write var in it. So this counts as well. So we can see the results right here. So I'm just going to show you by running it. So we have also printed out the name, age, and the value of pi, so that we can know that this also works in decimal. So right here you can see Java is 25 years old and pi is 3.14, just like we printed. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.